Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm just gonna clean our master bedroom. We haven't really kept it clean, so I decided to give this room a big deep clean. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and becoming part of the fam. I do want to do a voiceover since most of it is pretty self-explanatory, but even if I have to address anything or whatever the case is, I will jump on here and address it for you guys. But so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. A really quick overview. There's shoes there, there's a mess there, it's there. I don't know, for some reason, obviously the restrooms there, we've done that before, but we're gonna work on this together and get it done because it's a pretty big mess. So as usual, starting off my cleaning with some music because that's what motivates me to clean. Down the counter with my dresser with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner. It is my favorite scent, and yeah. Have maybe already learned or seen or noticed that all I use is microfiber towels to clean most of the house. I do sometimes use regular napkins, but for the most part I like using microfiber. They do the best. They take off the dust and they're washable, so that is my favorite reason why I like using them. I usually buy mine at Sam's Club or Costco. I'm pretty sure it's Sam's Club, but yeah, they have a different variety of colors and they're very inexpensive. Lighting made me feel really hot, so I decided to put up my hair because I was not going to deal with the heat, and yeah, so that's why I picked up my hair. I am just removing our cable box. We decided to cancel the service for our room since we usually just watch Netflix. Can you guys believe it's been 5 years since we purchased this bed frame and mattress? It's been so freaking long. I think it's time for a new one. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know down below which are your favorite. I need to look into them because it's been a long time. I think we definitely deserve a new bed frame and mattress. my little brother's so sweet. He was over here trying to help me do my bed. I thought it was the cutest thing ever since, yeah, it was just so cute. Anyways, ladies, he's single, by the way. And here are the results. This is what it ended up looking like. Needs work, but pretty happy with it regardless. So that pretty much concludes the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you guys have any tips or tricks or suggestions or anything, or just want to leave a comment down below, go ahead and I will be looking at them. So just letting you guys know. If you guys are not subscribed, please consider subscribing and becoming part of this family. We've been growing lately very slowly, but we're still growing, so that obviously makes me very happy, and I couldn't have it any other way. I love having you guys around, and I really want to thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate it so much, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye guys.